Hi everybody, how you doing? Hope you're doing good. Well, we're back here on the boat, and we're keeping an eye out on the weather so we can cruise and leave this place. Even though we love being here, it's beautiful. Those of you who've been following us know that we're heading north, so we can equip this boat and refit this boat properly, so we can then turn around and head out and go to the places that we want to cruise to. In the meantime, we're just waiting for a little weather window. It has been kind of windy. It's beyond our comfort level to go out in this type of wind. But that's okay because we still have lots of things to get done here on the boat while we wait for that weather window to open. For instance, we need to start installing our insulation because it's really getting cold now at night. And there are two types of insulation. There's this foam cell insulation. It's very, very expensive. Instead, we got this reflectix, which is also good insulation. It's not as good as the really expensive Aerocel that I'd like to get, but it's much cheaper. So we can insulate the entire boat. So let's take a look and see the things we got to get done, and we'll just keep an eye on the weather. These high winds we've been having really stirs up the Neuse River and makes it extremely uncomfortable. So while Amy and I wait for a weather window, I want to show you all what it's like to just be on the boat, what boating lifestyle is all about. In this particular place where we're at, it's really peaceful. It's not really a live-aboard marina. You're really only allowed to stay on your boat for maybe like a week, I think, per month. So it's a great place to stay when you're waiting to head north or south. So as a result, it tends to be really empty, which is kind of nice. It's really peaceful. There's no one around. So Amy and I have a lot of privacy on a typical day here. One of my favorite things about living on a boat is in the morning when you get up, come out and have your coffee, and I love opening up the companionway because you're just like right in nature. It's really fun. It's really beautiful. Check it out. See what I mean. Here's a recent view out of our companionway. Looks like some guys are fishing. Beautiful sunny day. Hey, I got a question. I saw a couple of real big fish jump out, and I've seen them in schools, like, 10 or 12 of them, about a foot long or so. What kind of fish do you think they are? Trout?
Probably.
Wow.
Well, yeah, if they were jumping, they could have been mullet.
Mullet or trout? Okay. Hey, have a great day. Looks like these folks have a bow thruster in their sailboat. Never seen that before. Usually it's the real bigger boats that need a bow thruster. One of the really nice things about this marina is that there's tons of really nice, big sailboats. So come on with me, let's walk around and look at some of these boats. Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm here in the marina's lounge area. This is like a den. It's really a beautiful marina. Let's take a look at some of the cool things in here. In the meantime, I'm here to just get my mail. When you're at a marina, you can have any mail sent to yourself, care of that marina. So let's go see if there's any mail for me. everybody, how you doing? I'm here in the main area of the marina, and just here to check my mail.